Welcome back, guys. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to make a Z Gallery inspired Vagrus vase by using a vase that I had got from, I believe, Family Dollar. This is an old vase that I had, but I believe I got it from Family Dollar. And the little silver beads I got from the Christmas section at Walmart. This is the only side they had. I wanted the smaller ones, but I couldn't find them. And then I got some diamond bling wrap that I had left over in my little stash, and I'm going to use my hot glue gun to glue the beads and the rhinestones on. And I show you a picture above of the Z Gallery vase, and it roughly retails, I believe it was like $149 for this particular style vase, and I'm like, that's extremely too expensive. But I'm going to recreate this look. I already started because I like to try to start my projects to see if it's the vision I want before I start filming it. So that's why you see this already started. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place the bling wrap where I want it and the beads where I want it, and I will come to you as it ends. Thank you. Oh, before I forget, and what I did, I just did every other one. I did the bling wrap and then I did the beads. So hopefully in the end it comes out how I really want it. Again, I just started the process, so yeah, we'll see. Okay, guys, so you'll start seeing when you are putting the beads on that they're kind of curving inward. They're giving like a little curve at the bottom. So in order to kind of keep everything aligned, I decided to do 3 rows of straight up and down, kind of space them out. So when I put the beads and the rhinestones on each side, it will level everything out correctly, and it won't give that curving motion of the beads buckling in basically on that side of the vase from one side to another. Also, at the bottom of the base, I put beads around it just to give it some more character. I was going to do some bling wrap too, but it just wasn't fitting right. But I do like how it all came out in the end. So as you see, again, I'm just going to each side. I'm going to do the exact same thing as I did on the other side of the vase of, the bling wrap and the beads. But those 3 rows is I just need to space them out enough to try to give me another guidance or framework to make sure that the vase didn't buckle in or curve inward on that side of the vase. And it turned out pretty good how I wanted it. I will say if I do this again on a different vase, what I will do is at the bottom of the vase, I started to realize that I could pinch the beads together a little bit to give it more streamlined and make the beads look closer together. So I start doing it at the top and I did it at the bottom, and I just like how it looked. They wasn't so spaced out. So I think if I do this again, I will just kind of fill in the space where the thread is between each bead. I couldn't take of trying to put each bead on it by one because you could do that if you have much patience, but I don't have that. I have patience, but I don't have that much patience. Okay, so you can see here how everything is starting to come together. You don't really see those 3 little spaces that I spaced out in the middle of the video where I was saying where you had to have a guiding reference so your vase wouldn't buckle in by curving in. So you see by me doing that, it all looks symmetrical. So I love how this item turned out. It was really great. You know, I saved so much money by doing this. I want to thank you guys for coming to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And comment in the comment section or something that you would like for me to do. Thank you again.